Sir company niya. We have HRS na we distribute items and supplies sa mga hotels and mga restaurants. We also have HWJ for pure packaging, kasagaran mga packaging din siya wholesaler. And then we have Happiness. Kasi nakatog Happiness? No? Okay. So Happiness, it's a hostel. Nag-start siya hostel, mga bunk beds, but now 2 years ago, nag-official tawag lunch sa mga standard rooms. Just in case happy na sinulo, kasi gano'n mga pa yung friends, no? Doon na kaayon, nasa Plaza Independencia. And of course, the mother company, nag-start din tanan sa HMC or sa Henwell Marketing, no? Diha mo ni mother store and then nag-branch out na lang sa daghan ka na lain-lain na company to cater kung possible, ako ang nang no, kay restaurant na lang good, which is nice, Senior, ba naka-mention mo na senior, but basin mo branch out pag senior, hopefully, no? And then, to give you an idea, especially sa mga bagong among na-invite, no? Kitsa mo dyan si HMC, before tamo ato ni Shopwell, kaya mo dyan ni Mother Store si HMC. I will call isa sa mga founders, mo siya haligi. Isa sa mga haligi dito, no? Naan siya pwede na makita niyo Scarborough area. No? Si HMC sa Henwell, si Sir Willie Ko. A round of applause, please.
Thank you po.
Paris.
Sorry, Paris. We appreciate the partnership and support. To give you a very brief background sa SMC, being the sort of the mother company of the board, I had some part in it. Very obvious. Okay, anyway, SMC started as a fishing line. Being located in Cebu, Philippines and Archipelago. Nakita na mo nga murang may potential of fishing line. So, after we started in 1993, and after all these years, we have some customers who have already 20 years na among relationship. No? We have customers, or actually I don't call them customers, we have partners, no? Partners in the fishing area. Bohol, Surigao, Tumang, even as far as Kulu before. Until pagkakubod na sa Sambuangan Kulu, medyo naglaylo na dito. Wala din po dito. Yan na kay medyo unstable at that time. No? Packaging. Then we also went into the agricultural packaging plastics. So now, karon, we realized na mo we need branching. How do we open up Shopwell? One in Opon and one in Very side. Very side to serve the southern Cebu, the Opon, the northern part of Cebu. Ang concept mo sa Shopwell is not to compete with our existing customers now, but to complement, like you know, we don't compete with them price wise. We just support them with the stocks. Make it easier for them. Example, people from Buwan-Buwan, hindi na sila kailangan magtupa sa carbon, no? They just pwede sila dire. Carbon is okay parking, dire na kay available ang parking.